What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to my day 2 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days, which is going to run throughout October, November, and December. And of course, we are going to be cashing out on January 1st, 2026. Now, before I proceed, I want to ask Nigerians both in Nigeria and in diaspora, how was the October 1st, the Independence Day? I hope it went well. Let me know how yours went in the comment section. All right. Yes, I hope you enjoyed it. So I've saved my own 1,000 using this platform called Cowrywise. All right. Yes. Now, for the fact that I've saved or I am saving using Cowrywise does not mean that you are going to be making use of that same Cowrywise. You can make use of any other platform. All right. Be it Cowrywise, be it PiggyVest, be it OPay, be it PalmPay, be it any other fintech platform that you want. All right. It is your choice. Now, our aim or our goal is not just to be saving money. All right. Even though we want to save money, we want to also make money for saving money. I don't think if you're understanding what I'm saying. All right. Despite the fact we want to create that consistency or build that culture of saving, being able to save, because if you can be able to save money, that means you are going to be able to invest. Because now who get money go free invest. If you don't get money, how you want take invest? Right? So we are going to be saving with any fintech platform, and the fintech platform we are going to be making use of will surely be paying us for saving our money for the period of that 90 days. All right. So as we are saving the money for the period of 90 days, if you are saving, let's say 1,000 naira every single day, just like me, because I decided to be saving 1,000 every single day. So if you decided to be saving 1,000 every single day for a period of 90 days, that means at the end of the 90 days, you are going to be having the sum of 90,000 naira. All right. Now, for me to be saving 1,000 does not mean that the maximum amount you can be able to save every day should be 1,000. If you have more than 1,000, if you can be able to save even 100,000 naira every single day for the period of the 90 days, go ahead and do it. But for those that could not even afford to save up to 1,000 naira every single day, and you'll be thinking, seems like this challenge is not for me. Please and please, it is for every single person. All right. Even if you don't have that 1,000 to save every single day, but you have probably 600, 500, or even 300, 200 naira, or even 50 naira, if you can be able to save, the goal is to be able to save. All right. Even if it is 5 naira that you can be able to afford, the challenge is for every single person. Okay. Yes. So don't say that the challenge is not for you. All right. So make choice of any fintech platform that you want. Get registered. All these fintech platforms, most of them, you can be able to get them using Google Play Store or App Store. Just go there, download any fintech platform of your choice, go through the registration aspect of it. All right. Now, you just have to know that your BVN is going to be involved in the registration. Make sure you have an email, a valid email, phone number. All right. And then your utility bill just to confirm your address. These are the few things you can be able to use to register with a fintech platform. All right. The registration is very simple. Just make choice of any one that you want and let's get started. All right. So I am going to give you one of the tip, or let me say a bonus tip that is going to keep you consistent. I have been on this challenge. I just decided to do a 90-day challenge. Okay. So, and I want you to join me for that. So I have been on this journey of saving every single day. All right. And then I would say that one of the things that kept me consistent or kept me going is this, and I want to share with you so that it will also keep you consistent throughout the 90 days. And what is that? It is automating your saving. So in case you want to ask me, what do I mean by automating my saving? I did it in a way that the platform you are going to be making use of, let it be OPay, PalmPay, PiggyVest, Cowrywise, any fintech platform of your choice, the platform is going to be able to automatically debit any amount you want to be saving every day from your local bank account down to that fintech platform. Let me use Cowrywise for example. I set it in I automated my saving. Let me use it that way. Okay. So I did it in a way that even when I am sleeping, the 1,000 naira they debited from my local bank account, they debited it around, let's say 5 a.m. in the morning. All right. So you don't need to manually transfer the amount you want to be saving every day to that platform. They are going to do it automatically, seamlessly, without you lifting a finger. So it's going to enable you to stay consistent, because there are some certain things you might be doing. You might be so busy that you won't even remember that you've not saved for the day. But if you automate your saving, it is going to be doing that automatically without you even knowing. The only thing you are going to be getting is a debit alert. And then when you check, I got a debit alert, what is it for? Then when you open it, you discover that, oh, it's my saving for the day. So another thing that is going to keep you consistent is that you have to cut down in the way you spend money. Okay, yes, because if you keep on spending too much, you will not be able to have enough money to participate in the challenge. You won't have enough money to save. All right, talk more of being able to stay throughout the 90-day challenge. So you have to cut down on your expenses. Just like I said, now who get money, they save money, and now who save money go invest money. All right, so it's better for you to join this challenge than to do what they call ajo. If you are doing ajo, if you ended up saving 300,000, it is that same 300,000 that they are going to give you. That's if they did not even remove any charge for them to save that money for you. All right, but this fintech platform, if you're making use of it, they are not only going to pay you exactly the amount you saved, but they are also going to give you interest for saving your money with them. So how cool is that? If you have gotten to this point, click the like button. Yes, click the like button in exchange of the value you are getting in this channel. All right, and this is the first time you are seeing me. Hi, I'm Leo, and I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So I personally wanted to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is always notify you anytime we drop informative video just like this one you watched. Okay, so these are the ways you can be able to stay consistent. All right, so if you like this, if you want to join, please, I would want you to join today. Even though today is the second day, but hey, you are not too late to join. You can start today, okay? Yes, you just have to start today. Do I have any other thing I need to tell you as regards to this 90-day challenge? I don't think so, but if you think I'm forgetting anything, let me know in the comment section. Have you saved today? If yes, let me know how much you've saved today, okay? If you have not saved, let me know the reason why you have not saved. If you have not even started at all, let me know the reason why you have not started, because I really want us to go through this 90-day challenge and I would love you to join us. Okay, let me know anything you think in the comment section. Whatever that is stopping you, let me know in the comment section. I really want us to interact. In case you are looking for more ways to make money, more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, you see this video you are seeing on the screen right now. Yes, this video. Yes, go ahead and click on the video and I'm going to see you on the other side. And until when I'm going to see you on the other side, we'll go again tomorrow. Bye.